The Fisher and Paykel OB60SC7CEX2 oven features a modern control system designed to manage cooking modes, timers, and temperature settings efficiently. After finishing a cooking cycle, it's important to turn the oven off correctly to stop the heating elements and allow the appliance to cool safely. Proper shutdown also helps maintain energy efficiency and prevents unnecessary wear on the oven's internal components. The process only takes a moment using the oven's control knobs or touch controls. Try these. Step 1. Locate the function selector or control panel used to choose cooking modes on the oven. Step 2. Turn the function selector knob to the off position or select the off option on the digital display. Step 3. If a timer or cooking program is active, cancel it using the control panel buttons. Step 4. Wait for the cooling fan to continue running briefly while the oven temperature drops. Step 5. Confirm the display and heating indicators turn off, showing the oven has fully shut down.